In this video, I'm going to show you how you can track small equipment in and outs with barcodes in Excel. I have this fictitious little company here, and so the list of equipment is right here, and I would say that this was a woodworking shop or whatever. Now, this would be small equipment so that you could either take the piece of equipment and scan the barcode, or you could scan a tag from the barcode. It's something that you would physically have to be able to find and then scan it, as opposed to thinking that you're going to use it eventually. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is put in your name. And so I'm going to be doing work today on something. So I put in my name in there. So that could either be your name, or you could type your name in, or it could be you could scan your tag from your ID, so it could be your ID number. I know that I'm going to need 8888, which is also scanned in from the barcode scanner on the equipment piece. And so I'm going to press enter. And so there you have that I'm taking out the jointer at 9:14 in the morning. So now let's put John doing something else. So John is the next guy. He signed out the chisels yesterday, so let's sign those out again. 4444. And John has signed out the chisels at 9:15. So I have the top section of the worksheet frozen, so you can scroll down so that you can always put your name on the bottom of the list. But I've also got in here, I've got filters on this. So if you were looking, so who has that jointer, you could drop the list arrow beside description and you could select jointer, and then you would see where it was. So Barb's got that jointer and she took it out a few minutes ago. So you know that that's not available. Okay, so now we're going to select this again, and we're going to select all to bring it all back and say okay. So now let's say I've decided that I'm done with this jointer. And so basically you've already got it out, so you'll just scan it in again. And it will put it back in the cabinet. So let me show you how I did this. The sub is called toolsout. Barcode is a string. Barcode equals ActiveSheet column 2 1, which is this cell right here. It says if barcode is equal to blank, then exit sub. This is to prevent the errors for when you delete the barcode from the cell, and then it's kind of looping looking for the barcode. So this will exit sub if there's nothing there. And so that if there is a barcode there, then you're going to search for the barcode, and here's a search function on sheet 1, which is the equipment sheet, to see if it's already out. And if its range is nothing, so if it hasn't been sent out, then what you're going to do is you're going to select in the first blank cell in column B. That's what this does. And then you're going to check if there's a username. If active cell offset, so you're going to the left and you're saying if that's blank, then you're going to send a message box, ID must be scanned first. And then you're going to wipe out whatever is in barcode scanning, and then you're going to go to the ND, which is the end of the code. Now, if there is a username in there, you're going to put the barcode value in the active cell, which is the first blank one, and the row number is the active cell row. Active cell number format, you're taking the same format of the barcode that was scanned in, and you're putting it in the cell. Now what I've done is I've called another little sub here to find the description. So we've got the call right here, so it says find description, and then I'm bringing with it the barcode, and I'm bringing with it the row number. So let's go down to the other little sub. And so here's my find description. So we have barcode and row number, just like the call was in there. And now we're searching in sheet 2, which is a list of the products. and then we're looking in the A column. If range is nothing, then message box equipment or equipment not found, and then else row number equals range row, description equals sheet 2. The description of the products are in the second column, so row number 2. Now we're going back to sheet 1, and we've taken the row number from the other sub, and we're putting the description in column 3. So now we've got our description in there, and so now we're going to select sheet 1 row number 4, and then we're going to put the date and time in here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go up and remove the barcode from our scanning cell. If it does find the row number equals range row, so if it does find the range row number and you're checking to make sure that there's not a return value in there, check if it's being returned. And if it has, then you're going to go to restart, which is right at the top here. Okay, so if it hasn't been returned, we're going to select the cell for the return time, and then we're going to place the return time in there. We're going to go and delete the barcode out of the scanning cell. This is for when we've gone to ND previously. We're going to delete the barcode from the scanning cell, and then we're going to select the cell that we're scanning to. Now, the other piece of code I'd like to show you is that we have worksheet value. So this is how it's become automatic. If not intersect, so A2 is my scanning cell. So this is a double negative. So if there's something is in A, then it's going to call toolsout, which is the application I just explained. Application enable events true end sub. I will of course include all the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.